how to make a video using your avatar on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bibel from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually use your TikTok avatar in order to create a new video. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So since this is a new feature, you have to make sure to actually update the TikTok app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in TikTok and go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated the TikTok app, what you could do is simply open it. After you open, again you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you can basically see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you want to do is actually at the very middle, you have to simply tap on the plus button in order to go ahead and create a new post. So tap on the plus button and you'll basically be able to see your face right on the screen. And at the bottom left, you can see this option which says effects. All you have to do is simply tap on the effects button. As you tap on the effects button, right over here, you again see the search box. So tap on the search box, and in the search effect, you want to simply search for TikTok avatars. So go ahead and type in TikTok avatars and then hit the search button. Once you do that, you can see this filter right over here. This effect says which one we want to use, which is the official effect. And by the way, this is actually an avatar which I created myself moments earlier in our previous video. You can watch that in order to learn how you can create your own avatar. So you could go ahead and simply select any of the ones as you wish, whichever you think is actually convenient and more suitable to your own resemblance of the face. So you could go ahead and simply select any of it as you wish. Once you've done that, you could also actually tap on the new button on the left hand side to go ahead and customize the looks and everything of this avatar right over here, which we actually discussed in our previous video as I said moments earlier. So in order to actually create a video, what you can do is actually hold this red button right at this bottom in order to go ahead and record a video using this avatar. So all you could do is simply go ahead and press and hold this button. So once you've done that, you can see that we have actually successfully created a video with using our avatar. You could go ahead and add any gestures, you could go ahead and edit the text, you could add some stickers if you want to, you could also add some effects, you could add some filters, you could add studios, and you could go ahead and actually customize a bunch of other options as well. Once done, what you could do is simply tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen right over here. As you tap on the next button, you'll be taken to a new page where you could actually customize the description. You can add people, you could add link, you could actually set who could watch this video, and more options such as uploading high quality uploads and so on. And you could come back and basically tap on the post button right at the bottom of the screen in order to actually post it as well. And this is basically how you can actually create a video using your avatar on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.